Bernard Fieldwood Walker, 1893 to 1965, was an influential British artist known for his sensitive portraits, nuanced still lifes, and impactful contribution to the art education field in the United Kingdom. His work, often characterized by a blend of realism with subtle impressionistic influences, capture both the physical and emotional essence of his subjects. Fleetwood Walker's paintings are widely recognized for their technical precision, delicate use of color, and an emotive quality that resonated with art critics and viewers alike. Fieldwood Walkers was born in Birmingham, England in 1893. From a young age, he showed an interest in the arts, which led him to pursue formal training at the Birmingham School of Arts. His studies were interrupted by World War I, during which he served in the British military. This experience exposed him to the harsh realities of war, an influence that subtly shaped his later works, which often carried a reflective and contemplative undertone. After the war, Fleetwood Walker resumed his studies and quickly gained recognition for his skillful draftsmanship and distinctive approach to painting. Throughout his career, Fleetwood Walker focused on portraiture, where he excelled in capturing both the physical likeness and inner life of his sitter. His approach was meticulous, emphasizing careful observation and attention to detail. He frequently painted family members, friends, and notable figures, leading a scenes of intimacy and familiarity to his work. Many of his portraits demonstrated a deep empathy as he sought to reveal the individuality and character of each person. His portraiture style blend academic precision with a softer impressionistic brushwork that added warmth and personality to his pieces. Fleetwood Walker often painted in oils, a medium he mastered with nuances, creating smooth blended texture and subtle transition of light and shadow. In addition to portraits, Fleetwood Walker produced a number of still life work and landscapes. His still life are marked by careful composition and a gentle attention to light and form, often in crafting everyday objects rendered with a timeless quality. His landscapes similarly exhibited a restrained elegance, focusing on quiet rural scenes and moments of natural beauty. Although he did not produce a large volume of landscapes, these pieces reveal Fleetwood Walker's sensitivity to the environment and an appreciation for tranquility. Fleetwood Walker's influences extended beyond his own artistic production as he was a dedicated educator and served as an important mentor to younger artists. In 1920s, he took on a teaching role at the Brigham School of Art, eventually rising to the position of head of painting in this capacity. He played a key role in shaping the curriculum and fostering a supportive environment for emerging artists. His teaching emphasized the fundamental of drawing and painting, including anatomy, color theory, and composition. He believed that a solid technical foundation was essential for artistic expression, a philosophy that greatly impacted his student. Fleetwood Walker was known for his patience, kindness, and encouragement, traits that earned him deep respect and admiration from his pupils. A significant turning point in Fleetwood Walker's career came in the 1930s when he became a member of the Royal Society of Portrait Painters and was elected as an associate of the Royal Academy. This, this affiliation brought him national recognition and allowed his work to reach a broader audience. During his period, he exhibited his portraits and still life at permanent galleries in London and other parts of the UK, receiving critical acclaim for his artistry and insight. His work were celebrated for their dignity, emotional depth, and craftsmanship, establishing Fleetwood Walker as one of the leading British portrait painters of his time. During World War II, Fleetwood Walker contributed to the war effect as a war artist, capturing scenes of British life and the experience of soldiers. His war related works are notable for their poignancy and respect for the resilience of the human spirit. After the war, he continued painting and teaching, although his style gradually evolved, reflecting a shift toward a more introspective, softer approach. Fleetwood Walker's